Hello everyone. So now I'll be demoing my code lab one, that is renovation agent. I've used this from prototypes to agents code lab from with ADK from Google. Uh, so I'll show how to build an AI agent that generates renovation proposals using Google's Gemini API. So I start off by importing the dependencies, and then the important one is Google.generative AI. So for connecting to Google AI Studio, and then I've defined a function called create renovation agent. So that initializes a generative model. Use Gemini 2.0 Flash, and then I have defined my master prompt, that is system instruction, that it is an expert renovation consultant to which gives professional proposals based on what the client has asked. Like that should include design concept, materials, budget, and also the timeline. And then it should output it as a clean structured document, text document. And then the generate proposal function, it takes a user request and uses the agent to generate the content. So I've also, this is the main function. So now I've also already tried to execute it. So when I executed it, I exported my Google API key, and then when I tried to execute it, so it asked me what is the renovation requirement, and like what is the style I need, what are you actually trying to do, and what's the budget. And I said that I want to renovate my small bathroom with a Japanese Zen style with budget around 15K dollars. And like it came up with a renovation proposal. We can see the document here itself. On the left, it created a text document. So the concept is to create a tranquil and minimalistic space that invokes a sense of calm and harmony because it's a Zen bathroom. So with all the necessary changes with color palette, clutter design, natural materials, soft lighting, and also the type of materials for floors, for walls, and everything, and also the budget range. Our budget is 15K, so it it almost came up with the same budget range, and like and that even with the timeline. So it slightly depends on the people who actually work on it, but it also came up with the timeline and also the important consideration that we need to check with. Let it be the local building department for any permits, contractors, budget, potential flexibility, DIY potential. So for reducing costs, if we can actually do stuff ourselves, any simple task. So this is a robust proposal. So as we can see, that this simple agent, it demonstrates like how system instructions can change AI behavior by defining, clear roles and output formats. Uh, we can create specialized agents for specific needs. Uh, so this is my demo. Thank you.